Guys, this is the second fucking time this happened. The second time.
Yeah!
We're waiting for the third time.
No, but don't put it in a vlog because otherwise my mom's gonna see it out.
Okay.
I did.
Damn! The bitch is taking a blanket to the fucking cinema.
You can't go to the cinema without a blanket, okay? You need to put it in there. Is it too small? The pussy too tight!
Struggles. Got it!
Sometimes you need to wipe things open to fit in there. Stretch it.
You gotta open up to fit in. Alright, guys. Nah, got him. Nah, yeah.
Teaching you the language of beats. Let's go.
So, I just found this in my clothes.
In my clothes. Is it
Did
weird?
not taste like fries at all.
So beautiful.
That's the chicken cinema.
They opened the door for us. Okay, we're going to sit there.
Yes. Here?
When you work at the cinema and you have free tickets. Free! Okay, look.
I just find out.
Look. Look what's behind there.
There's a fucking...
There's the guy right there.
I made eye contact with the guy.
It's the small one. Row 4?
Row 4, yeah. You can't see shit.
Do you like it? I made it. It's not gonna work.
You don't concentrate.
Oh
You're
my
bad
God.
at throwing.
Okay,
Food
okay,
wasting.
okay.
I'm gonna have to pee like 3 times in this movie.
We just finished the movie and it was the best movie. I cried. I was like, we're so fucking settled.
I can sleep here.
We can just stay here like bye.
Oh,
We ate all the popcorn.
yeah, guys.
We ate all of it.
For the first time I fucking ate almost.
What?
Taking off. Taking off. Taking off. 3, 2, 1.
I'm going with you. This is the aftermath of a movie that's about astronauts. No, Julia thinks she's an astronaut.
Bubblehead.